kids, I was inspired by Miss Daniel's wonderful trivia question at lunch, after lunch yesterday. I wanted to walk you through this problem that I loved how you guys persevered and struggled through the problem. It was a toughie, wasn't it? Okay, but you already know how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number, and I'm going to show the standard algorithm first. Are you guys ready? Let's start first by multiplying 6 times 9. Okay, so 6 times 9 is 54. So my 4 goes in the ones place, and then I regroup the 5, right? Next, I'm multiplying 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 5 more is 50. And then I'm going to regroup another 5, right? 9 times 4 is 36, plus 5 more. Well, in my brain, I break up the 5 as 4 plus 1, right? Because 36 plus 4 makes 40. And then 1 more is 41. Beautiful. I've multiplied 456 times 9. Okay, I'm actually going to switch my colors because it's easier for me. And I'm going to cross out that regrouping because I want to use, I'm going to use regrouping now to multiply 456 times 80. That's where this placeholder 0 comes from. Okay, I'm really not multiplying 456 times 8 here. I'm multiplying 456 times 80. Okay, so 6 times 8 is 48, right? And then I regroup my 4 up here, right? Well, 8 times 5 is 40, plus 4 more is 44. And then I regroup another 4, okay? 8 times 4 is 32, plus 4 more is 36. Are you with me? It's really important because these are going to start to look like an upside down wedding cake, okay? To keep out everything nice and neat in columns so that you have your ones placed together, your tens placed together, your hundreds placed together, your thousands placed together, and your 10,000s placed together. If you don't do that, when you start to add, it's going to get a little sticky. Let's switch colors again. I'm going to use brown this time. Okay. Now I'm multiplying 456 times 700. Okay, so since I'm multiplying it times 700, I need 2 placeholder zeros. Okay, and I'm going to mark out those 4s that get in my way so that my regrouping doesn't mess up. Okay, 7 times 6, I'm going to multiply that first. That's 42. And then I have a 4 here for my regrouping. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 4 more. 35 plus 4 is 39. Then I regroup a 3 here. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 3 more. 29, 30, 31. Okay, now let's go back, and the next step would be what? Now we've got to add this all up. So do you see what I mean about it being in nice, neat columns? 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 1 plus 2, so 5, 6, 7. 9 plus 6 is 15, and 4 more is 19. 3, 4, 5. And I get altogether 359,784. That's a really big number. How do I know that my answer is right? How can I be sure? Okay, and what one of my beautiful students did was they took my advice, and I love that. This is approximately equal to 500. Are you with me? 456, more or less, about 500, right? If we round to the nearest hundreds, please. 789 rounded to the nearest hundreds place is 800. So if we want to get an estimate of what this amount should be, right? 8 times 5 is 40, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer should approximately be about 400,000. So this is my self-check to make sure that my answer is reasonable, okay? This number is approximately 400,000. So I would say that my estimate is reasonable. And of course, this is the standard algorithm. I'd like to show you this same problem using the area model. Thank you, kids. Bye.